guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video to share with you guys what all I received in this month's Glamego box. I know I am super late this month, like half the month is already over and you guys perhaps already know what's inside the box, but for the minority who still does not know or just likes me reviewing things, then please keep on watching and let's see what's inside. As you guys know, August is a month of friendship, so it was pretty obvious that would be the theme for this month's box, which it is. So we have this very sweet looking pink box. I love the color of this box, and you have two bunnies on over here, and over here on the top it's written Teri meri banti nahi par tere bina meri chalti nahi. Very cliched, very Bollywood. Inside we have 4 products this month. I'm just going to take out the card. I think, yeah, this is the card with all the information, and this is what the inside of it looks like. First we have 2 products from Votre or Votre. I still cannot pronounce the name of it, but these are the okay, so the white one is the Votre Jelly Radiance Mask Glitter and Glow. This one is supposed to okay, so this is a silver radiance jelly mask. You are supposed to apply it on the face for 10 minutes and then you can wash it off. This one is very expensive at 1200 rupees. I have tried it out yesterday and it really does have very minute glitter, like silver particles in it. Of course my camera will not be able to pick it up, but there are very minute silver particles in it. It smells exactly like the Votre multivitamin night cream that they sent in, I think last month or maybe last to last month, which I use every night, and so far this actually is a very average product. I did not really see an incredible difference after using it, but perhaps I'm gonna give it another shot and then give you my final thoughts. So this one is the Votre Ultra Hydrating and Rejuvenating Sleeping Mask. This one contains gold particles, so silver and gold makes sense, and together they are both worth 1200. Individually together they are worth 2400 to be precise. And also these are part of the Votre 30-day and night glow regime. In case you guys want me to take up the Votre 30 days glow regime challenge, let me know in the comments. I will use these for a month and then show you guys the results or the lack of it, if there is any. So let me know in the comments. And moving on to the next product, which is the Monsub Gold Eye Mask. Now I remember getting this months ago, sometime back, I think last year or maybe this year, I do not remember, my memory is really bad, but this one cost rupees 200, and this is of course an eye mask. You're supposed to put it under your eye, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it. This one will make your under eye problems vanish and make it looking healthy with 98% of collagen. Too much information. Last but not least, we have Bella Woste. Again, butchering the name, but this one is a lip gloss. They generally send in lipsticks. For the first time I am getting a lip gloss, and this one is the color of it. It's a very pretty peachy color. I think they finally heard my plea for a nude color, so they sent in this one, and this one retails for $5.99. It has been formulated in Italy. Of course, it's a lip gloss that is supposed to moisturize and make your lips looking plump. Now this one in particular actually contains very fine gold shimmer in it. There is no way my camera is going to pick up, but this one actually contains gold shimmer that I can see. Unfortunately you will not be able to see, but I'm still going to swatch it on my hand, and maybe I will wear it on my lips and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the swatch of it. As you can see, it is decently pigmented. I do not like lip glosses that are like clear. For some reason I like my lip glosses to have a little bit of pigment, so I quite like how pigmented this is, and I think I'm also going to put it on my lips just to see how it works, even though I'm wearing red lipstick. This is what the shade looks like. Of course I'm wearing it on top of red lipstick, so not much could be made out, but I hope my lips are looking a little more plump than usual. That's what it claims. It should do it. So I forgot to tell you guys the shade name. This one is 02 and it's called Rust Crush. I'm not sure why Rust, because it's clearly a peachy nude, but Crush nonetheless. And this one, like I said, retails for 600 rupees, and those were all the products that we have been sent in this month in the Glamego box. Those were all the products in this month's Glamego box. The total value of this month's box comes to around rupees 3,200, which is a lot considering you only pay 300 per month. In case you still have not got your hands on the Glamego box but would want to, I will have the link in the description so you can go ahead and make a purchase for yourself. I think you should, because you do get a lot of quality products at a really affordable price, and it's a great way to try out brands that you have not heard of or tried out before to see what actually works best for you. So I will have the link in the description like I said, and I will also see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.